I never experienced love. I never really wanted to try. I was too afraid to break my heart. I know all these guys like me. I could have gotten a good relationship with them, but this one guy really struck out. I took a chance. I fell in love with him. And I guess it was a mistake.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms with
No, it was a mistake. It was a lesson learned.